What is the easiest life insurance to qualify for? If you are someone who is 40 or older and do not have a policy, or you had a policy that has now expired for any reason, whether it's non-payment or it was term insurance and it's no longer offered, or if you only had insurance through your job or workplace and now you no longer work for them, the easiest insurance to qualify for is simplified issue, whole life insurance. You would just ask or answer a few health questions. Based on the answer to those questions, you can be covered within 24 to 48 hours. The policy face amounts are not as large as some of the term life plans, so you're not going to get $100,000 worth of coverage without taking a medical exam, but the plans do go from usually $2,000 up to $40,000, possibly $50,000, depending on which state you live in. My name is Andrea Edwards. I am a licensed life insurance agent and I'm an independent agent. So what I do for you is shop different companies to see who can offer you the best plan, the best coverage at the best price. Now, let's say you tell me, Andrea, look, I know no matter what your health questions are, I'm not going to be on the top of their list, grade A. I had some issues in the past, or I am taking some medications right now, or I just know I'm not going to pass those health questions to be able to get a simplified issue whole life plan. So what is available to me? In that case, many companies offer what's called guaranteed issue or guaranteed acceptance insurance. That means they'll give you a policy for the same face amounts from $2,000 up to $5,000, but you will have a 2-year waiting period. What does that mean? The 2-year waiting period, if you were to pass during that time, what would happen is you would get a return on your premium. So rather than, let's say you take out a $10,000 policy, if you died in year 1, God forbid, instead of getting the $10,000, your beneficiary would get your premiums back plus interest. So let's say your $10,000 plan, you are rather young, meaning you're 50, 55. For that $10,000, you're paying $50 a month, $60 a month. So 1 year of paying in, 50 times 12 is 600. They would get 600 plus interest. Now let's say you waited a long time and did not get a plan, and you're starting your guaranteed issue at 70 years old, and you want the same 10,000 because the cost of a funeral nowadays, on average, if you're getting buried, is about $10,000. In most states, it's a little higher than that. So you want 10,000 and you're 70. Well, your return on premium, your monthly premium, most likely is going to be closer to 110 per month. So they would get that 1,200 or whatever that amount works out to be back within the first 2 years. What happens after those 2 years? Then you are fully covered. The beneficiary gets the full face amount. Your son or your daughter does not have to worry about burying you. Your sister or your best friend, they do not have to go start a GoFundMe or have a rent party or a fish fry or ask the church for donations. They'll be able to take care of your final expenses with dignity, less stress, and they would just have to worry about the mourning of your self, the loss of you, because no amount of money can replace you, but you're putting their minds at ease. You are making the transition smoother and better for them. So the easiest insurance to qualify for, if you have or have had medical issues in the past, would be the guaranteed issue life insurance. If you need a plan, I can assist. You can call me, Andrea Edwards, at 833-537-7700, or go to applyoverthephone.com. All of this is done over the phone. There's no going to homes. And if you live in Maryland, Texas, Ohio, or Virginia, I can assist. If you live in other states, I am part of an independent broker agency that we have representatives in every state. I can connect you with a broker, co-worker of mine that can help you in your state. So call 833-537-7700 or go to applyoverthephone.com. Let's get you covered today.